Hello everybody, welcome to Newbies Work on Cars. Today I am replacing the battery on my 2013 Hyundai Elantra GT. I'll be as quick as possible because it's below freezing temperature over here. Alright, let's talk tools. We need a long extension with a 12 millimeter and also a 10 millimeter socket and a ratchet basically. So under this cover is the positive fuse and connection. We have a 10 millimeter nut over here, a 10 millimeter nut on the negative side, and a 12 millimeter bolt over here that basically holds the battery in. So let's start with the top. It is a very tight fit in here. We got it. Okay. Okay, I'll show you what's going on here. This is the 12 millimeter that's holding this bracket. So basically the battery needs to, from here, this one goes underneath over there, then you drop the battery, then you drop the bracket and the bolt. So let me try get that figured out and we'll come back. Alright, as you can see here, I have removed the 12 millimeter bracket, the bracket and 12 millimeter bolt. I'll put the battery in. The battery slides in. Next we'll have the fabric box that will help with the cold weather, supposedly, and there's the battery that's filling out as it is not now. Go away. Drop this bracket. That's where the bolt should be. Let's see if I can do it. Alright, that's been tightened. Let's go back with the terminals. Alright, moment of truth. Let's test out the car and see if it's going to start. Alright, we got it going. Thank you for watching and have a great day.